Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get a refund on TikTok ads. If you want to get a refund for your TikTok ads, here's how it works. A refund basically lets you recover any remaining balance in your ad account. But note, it doesn't include taxes already paid. How you request it depends on the type of account you have. If your ad account is part of a business center, you can request a refund directly through the business center portal. If your ad account isn't linked to a business center, then you want to go through TikTok Ads Manager. For promote campaigns, you'll need to contact your account representative to request a refund. And if your ad account is suspended, you can still request a cash balance refund via the business center. To get started, just open your preferred browser and search for TikTok Ad Refund. From there, pick the option that matches your account type and follow the steps. If you run into trouble, TikTok customer support can help guide you through the process. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.